Hi mga friend, mga kapotentials. Let's study God's words. Ang didakin natin today is virtual faith. Yung Bible version is from John 20 verse 29. Because you have seen me, you have believed. Blessed are those who have not seen and yet have believed. So the one who's our storyteller today is si Brother Erickson Trinidad. So he talks about virtual faith. So because of the pandemic, di ba, nauso yung work from home. So, there are set up na yung work nila is, yun nga, through the internet, through apps, through the software na ginagamit nila sa office, and through that, they were able to deliver yung kanilang mga expected output so work. So, sabi niya, ni Brother Erickson, when he first started working at home, medyo it felt strange not having your teammates around you. Kasi nga, you just rely on email, Slack, or project management apps to update each other. So, malaki din yung factor ng trust kasi you have to trust yung teammates mo if you're doing yung mga requirements or expectations sa inyo. So, ako am not into virtual or work from home. Parang mas the old tradition way, yung face-to-face, no? Tsaka yun. So, ano kasi yung work ko rin is production. So, you cannot do production work or output or products kung online eh. So, we have face-to-face production work or products that we have to deliver, no? So, we have to report to the office. So, sabi niya, it's especially challenging when we're collaborating for a team project. Yan. So, yung mga reliant on software or apps, so they can deliver. Kasi kumbaga services yung inaano nila, not products. So, sabi ni Brother Erickson Trinidad, so sana sabi niya, yung walk in faith is sana ganyan din, ano, na online or virtual. Sabi niya, even if you can't see God's answer, you wonder, did He note it? Did He put it on His priority? So sometimes we wonder if our prayers are heard or answered, or is God making note of our concerns. So sabi niya, today's reading reminds us that to calm down and even if what I'm praying for is not yet in sight, but you just have to put your trust on the Lord, just like your online workmates na ina-expect mo na they will deliver yung kanilang share yun sa online work nyo. Sabi nga, God is a promise keeper. He trusts Him, He will come true. So I believe in your word. I believe in your promise. I believe in your plans that I can see, but of course will be one day fulfilled. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.